My close friend asked me about a boy I know. Do you like him? She said with a smile. I said, we are just friends. But I smiled too. Later, I walked home alone and thought, why do I feel happy when he talks to me? Why do I remember his face? The quiet street had no answers for me. I kept thinking about my feelings. What is the difference between like and love? When does liking become real love? These questions stayed in my mind. I looked at the stars but found no answers. Is this feeling temporary, or is it something more serious? I felt confused about my own heart. Maybe we often mistake other feelings for love. We enjoy when someone cares about us. A sweet drink when we are sad feels nice. Help when we have problems makes us happy. Same interests make us feel connected. But this might not be real love. Sometimes we feel lonely and want company. Perhaps we love the feeling of being loved. We feel happy when someone notices us. We feel important when they remember us. We feel less lonely when they are there. But is this love for them? Or just happiness for ourselves? This question made me think deeply. Real love shows in actions, not just words. It appears in small things every day. A message saying, wear warm clothes when it's cold. A simple good night text every evening. These small actions show true care. They prove love through daily habits. Love lives in these quiet moments. True care shows when we have problems. One time I was sick and felt very bad. He didn't ask, do you need anything? He just came to my house with medicine. He said, I'm downstairs, in a simple message. This action meant more than many words. Real love acts without being asked. Real love lets you be yourself completely. You don't need to pretend or act. You can be quiet together without feeling bad. You can show your true feelings safely. There's no need to hide your weaknesses. This feeling of safety is precious. It's better than exciting moments. Love doesn't need big romantic actions. It exists in simple, normal things. In shared silence that feels comfortable. In small jokes that make you laugh. In understanding without explanations. These ordinary moments hold true meaning. Only people in love understand this feeling. To know if you really love, ask yourself honest questions. Do you love them? Or your image in their eyes? Do you want them to see you as perfect? This question can be difficult, but important. The answer might surprise you. Be brave to face the truth. Ask yourself another important question. If they stop loving you back, what will you feel? Will you hurt because you lost them? Or because you lost the feeling of being loved? This difference matters a lot. One is real love. The other is self-love. Think carefully about your answer. Think about why you feel jealous sometimes. Does it come from hurt pride? Or from real love for the person? When they talk to others, how do you feel? Is it because you worry about losing them? Or because your ego feels hurt? Understanding this helps know true feelings. Admitting the truth can be hard for pride, but it's the first step to grow in love. Maybe you love the idea of being loved. Maybe you love how they make you feel. This honesty might feel uncomfortable at first, but it leads to better self-knowledge and prepares you for real love later. Asking, do I really love, shows you are growing up. This question means you think seriously about feelings. Don't rush to name your emotions too quickly. Give yourself time to understand your heart. Listen to the quiet peace inside you. It speaks louder than temporary excitement. True feelings become clear with patience. Don't let others pressure you about love. Friends may ask when you will find someone. Family might wonder about your relationship status. But only you know your true feelings. Don't choose someone just to avoid being alone. Don't love because everyone else does. Your heart deserves honest answers. Love is not about perfect moments. It's about choosing to stay through difficulties. It's about seeing real people, not perfect images. It's about growing together over time. It's about accepting imperfections. It's about building something meaningful. These things take time to develop. The answer may not come at one moment. It reveals itself through daily observations, through how you feel when you're together, through how you miss them when apart, through small choices you make every day. This journey of discovery never really ends. It begins with being honest with your own heart. Looking back at my journey of questions, I understand something important. The confusion and the self-doubt were necessary. They helped me see my feelings more clearly. They taught me to distinguish real love from temporary emotions. This process, though difficult, was valuable for my growth in understanding relationships. Maybe true love doesn't shout loudly. It whispers through consistent small actions. It shows in patience during hard times. It appears in acceptance of imperfections. It grows through mutual understanding. It strengthens with shared experiences. And it endures through life's changes. For anyone asking the same questions, remember this. There's no shame in not having answers immediately. The journey of self-discovery takes time. Each moment of doubt is a step toward clarity. Every honest question brings growth. Your heart will guide you when you listen. Trust the process of understanding yourself. So continue asking, continue wondering, keep observing your heart's true responses. Value the quiet moments of understanding. Appreciate the journey of self-awareness. For in knowing yourself, you prepare for real love. And that is the most beautiful discovery of all.